Now we need to tell that why exactly the form of the perfect complements utility function is in the form of min. Okay, so well, the case of perfect complements is when the two goods have to be consumed together in order to give some utility to the consumer. Okay, any single good can't give the utility. Okay, say for example, left shoe and right shoe. Example is left shoe and right shoe. Okay, now this is one of the example of the case of perfect complements, that they have to be used together in order to give a utility to the consumer. Just left shoe will not give anything to the consumer, will not give any utility to the consumer. Similarly, just right shoe will not give any utility to the consumer, and moreover they have to be used together in 1:1 ratio. Okay, so it even can't be the case that you can have one left shoe and two right shoe, because one right shoe would be wasted, or two left shoe or one right shoe, because one left shoe would be wasted. But two right shoe and two left shoe will make it two pairs. Okay, so consumer can actually have one pair at one time and two pair at another time. So these things could be thought of. So but the point is that they have to be consumed together in the ratio 1:1. Fine. Well, they have to be consumed together. This is an important line, that is, goods have to be consumed together at least in the given ratio. To provide utility to the consumer. So he is providing, so they have to consume together in certain ratio, and that ratio should always be maintained. This ratio should always be there, and this is the, I mean, at least this ratio has to be maintained every time. So this is min xy. So this is the reason we write it in this ratio always. This is the reason we write the utility function in this way. So in this case it is min xy, because at least in this ratio it has to be consumed. Okay, so minimum. So this is the ratio at which it has to be consumed. And note that this is not telling you that whichever is the minimum of x and y, you are picking that up. No. Whenever you have the utility function like u is equal to min of xy, so what exactly it means is that you are consuming this in a given proportion. Now supposedly, if you have the utility as min of, say, x plus 2y and 2x plus y. Okay, now this is not perfect complement. This is a kinky preference. Okay, so every min function is not a perfect complement. Fine. So all min functions with just this form, min of ax by, now this form is perfect complement. Okay, so just this, I mean, it could be that ax square, by square, and so on and so forth. So all of those combinations could be made, but this is the reason you have the perfect complements of this form. Thanks.